In this video, I'll show you how to mirror text in Canva. Keep in mind that you need a Canva Pro account to use this feature. First, enter the text you want to flip. Since Canva's flip feature only supports images and videos, you can't flip text directly. To work around this, you'll need to convert the text into an image. Select Apps from the sidebar and use the search bar to find the Design to Image app. This app converts a complete design, along with all its elements, into an image. Make sure that only the text is on the page. Click Convert to Image to open the app. Choose PNG as the file type and select a transparent background. Then pick the page you want to convert. Click Done when you're ready. Go ahead and hit the Export button. The page with the text has now been converted into a PNG file. It's located in the Image tab, under Uploads. If you do not see it right away, try refreshing the page. Click on the image to add it to your design, and position it where you want it. Now select Flip from the toolbar, and then flip vertical. And that's it. Of course, you can also flip text horizontally using this method. Thanks for watching and happy creating!